Chief Executive Member barim ka GHADC udipul M marak bat armut ki MDC Sukharam ki sangma baru Albert marak unoya side an ba VJK Kynta Arjana nong bet bat kiwe kila penyaso ela dia syaka Bharatiya Janata Parti yakini la pediang da President ka BJP Meghalaya ba Ernest Mauri haka jingyalan lang u National Secretary Rituraj Sinha u Secretary bakmi ya ka Meghalaya Chuba AO Menteri Sarkar barim ka jilla uba AL hek bat kiwe uba kentaw loong bakipat ba kin sakaliya u halor ka jinglait rung BJP Henry uhi usngo ba ka BJP ka day ka rensan ka bahe adu bat pensngo ya ka sur na maru itnat ru ikikam jongani ka party kamtam ikikam ki ba Iajngi mentoy upai ba kamtam ya ki beduk barangli kadai ka nongrem jonga ka jingkwa jonga ka long balada phikwa banjingi jingi hakaduriaw haka Pung Ktieh na ba nganyaw ya baro ki Seng Riewlum lani ka MDE kum ki parti ki Iajngi haka Pung Ktieh uba kentaw loong batat hadu menta ka jilla kadang shania telia ka sarkar pedeng ka belah penyat da ka BJP bat kumta kum unong kren kan yarap ha ban pendon kam ya ka BJP kum karensan ban pensngo ya ka sur persya ki kam bam sam kapisa bakamai bamhok na kabenta kabha kamiat kajilla
Sukharam ke sama Ktieh nga balay nga join ya kani ka party nga kwa banong ba nakapos kapor nga jukaang ya ka bamsa nga jukaang ya ka jingdu ki jaka ki puta ki jongi nga join ya kani ka party da ka jingtmu ka ba kongsan kata kadai Banyada ya ki siap ki khendo ki jungi banyada ya ki assets man po khendo ki jungi nasi bon no fi pila bandai ki ba khai du yong khai motion ndai ngari wei ni ki breu ki ba na ek bhai ka environment na ko ba banong sai sin ba dara ka policy jong ka BJP dara hakno no ka por ka long persya ya ka jat pendriu khasi jantia ganong ye phi bangan ha pan yang rangba banong ba this is not a good policy for our people kadang ka jing current spang ka uniform civil code ka BJP kampi ka political party ka pasdang ye ka banwara ye ka ne ka banpetrikam ye uniform civil code kadai ka bana dan lupa ha ka kindon jong ka Constitution of India Pila ban puli ka Article 44. Nadu bas dang ya ka Constitution of India kladan kani Uniform Civil Code kani bandan kawai ka Uniform Civil Code. Tenre kala judon kapor ka bang akren bat bangaong ba ka Uniform Civil Code kanumla bantai haka jaj bandriu khasi jantia yase haka jaj bandriu karoro. We have got our own land tenure system which is different from the rest of the country. Mr. Rituraj perhaps will try to educate him on the local scenario so that you can acquaint with our identity, with our ideas, our love for land. Land we call Kame. Once our lands are alienated, that burns, that hurts us. So I want to use this platform, the Bharatiya Janata Party, where we can secure our borders. We don't care if other states are being run by BJP government. But here, the BJP of Meghalaya should see that we secure our land, secure our assets. Hakini kisi kanan katuka jinya siat sopo mukro. Now this is a very touchy subject when people from other parts of the states come and shoot our people. It's very hurtful, painful. I have to tell all of you that most of you have been here for last many generations. You breathe the same air, you breathe the same feeling. When people are murdered, are killed, that hurts you. Violence is a crime against humanity. I take this opportunity this evening to tell the political parties from neighboring states, please don't come and encroach into our land. I should not use this platform to speak too much about what should not be spoken at this time, but I will take this opportunity to thank the leaders of the BJP for having invited me here. And perhaps in the near future, I will stand for the interests of my people. Kublai Shibon.